Hi! It's really challenging nowadays to find the best products. It would be awesome if you can find a reliable source to know which products are the best. That's why we came here to help you to choose the best product that can bring the best output that you're looking for. In this video, we have listed the top 5 best products. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge, however. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, we did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best PAPR welding helmet from reputable brands. So let's get started. Number 1. Honeywell North NIOSH approved full facepiece silicone PAPR helmet. Honeywell Northern Series is another type of welding respirator. The package has a double flange sealing from silicone medical grade to enhance optimum facepiece for sealing. Additionally, the model has a field vision, chin support, and a strap to converting to PAPR. Moreover, it has a polycarbonate coat that provides more than 200 degrees field of view, thus protecting the eyes from irritation of gases and other flying particles. The model has approval from NIOSH. Positive side of this product: the model has dual flange silicone that gives facepiece great fitting features that enhances the workability of the product. It helps in ensuring optimal comfort and performance by providing an eye and face protection. Consists of filters and cartridges sold separately. Negative side of this product: the model cannot withstand fitting over the glass. Number 2. 3M Speedglas Heavy-Duty PAPR Welding Helmet. 3M Speedglas G501 is the latest addition in the Speedglas series, which has been designed by making some minor changes in the 9100 series. The tack welding mode offered by the 3M Speedglas ATFO 46 to 110130i lets you vary the shade level's reaction time. It comes with built-in powered respirator system along with stackable filtration setup. It is one of the most respected and well-known helmet in the industry. If you compare it with the previous 9100 versions, then the helmet under discussion has some extra features like auto on-off capability and a natural color technology in the filter for a wider viewing area. The filter also offers variable shade ranges like 5, 8 to 13. You can also enjoy a tack welding comfort mode, which is extremely helpful in various types of arc welding. Regarding viewing area, the helmet has a large and crystal clear protective visor, which is also a little bit curved for the overall view of your surrounding, rather than just the front view. Positive side of this product: powered respirator system, advanced filter technology, tack welding mode, heat sensitivity, heat reflecting finish. Negative side of this product: little bit pricey, only limited to industrial and occupational use. Helmet not available separately. Number 3. Jackson Safety Lightweight Belt-Mounted PAPR Helmet. This helmet with an air head top will save you from welding fumes and heat stress. The helmet has an extra large viewing area. There is a NIOSH-approved 3-layered filter to save you from harmful particulate contaminants. Moreover, a breathing hose having flame-retardant cover is also available to save us from sparks. A distinguishable feature of this helmet is its rechargeable battery with good timing. The battery has helped us great during long hours of work. This Jackson's welding helmet has a maximum optical clarity of 1111 with a variable auto-darkening filter. You can simply control it from the one button at the top. Most importantly, the availability of dual-speed blower ranks it as the best air-fed welding helmet. The helmet has an Air Max Elite PAPR system, which also includes a dual-speed BLOWER 160 to 280 LPM. The blower maintains the constant flow of air irrespective of level of the battery. Thus, you don't have to worry about ventilation even at the lower battery. Positive side of this product: a lightweight helmet, smart charger, NIOSH approved, auto darkening filter. Number 4. 3M ATFO Powered Air Purifying Respirator Helmet. The 3M 36 to 110130 SW Powered Air Purifying Respirator is my top choice when it comes to welding helmets with built-in respirators. It is not considered the most affordable solution, although its price is within logical limits regarding the technology involved. The respirator provides the appropriate protection from dangerous fumes constantly by filtering the air. The welding helmet wears comfortably on the head, and it is especially designed for tight spaces, as its compact structure allows the welder to move conveniently around the place. The viewing area is large, more specifically the largest of the 9100 series of the 3M company. The view field, which can be expanded, allows the welder to have a full view of the process of his welding process for better inspection. The 3M Powered Air Purifying Respirator is one of the best air purifying respirator systems that I have come across. Along with the high-quality 3M Speedglas Welding Series 9100 FX, they provide the desired protection to the welder. Number 5. Archon SR500 Respirator PAPR Kit. This PAPR kit designed by the Archon company has awesome durability, since they have invested in its longevity and ability to work under the most difficult circumstances. Although it has a very tough exterior part for maximum protection, it has one of the most lightweight welding helmets of its price range. What is more, it's very easy to learn how to use the settings of the helmet, so that you can adjust it according to your particular needs. Along with the welding helmet, you are going to get a hard hat and a visor for extra safety and convenience, since you can use them for any type of construction process. One of the most fascinating capabilities of the Archon SR500 Respirator PAPR kit is that it can keep purifying the contaminated air for several hours, with only a single charge. This way it saves lots of time for the user, making the welding process fast, fun and safe. Positive side of this product: lightweight welding helmets of its price range. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.